Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is your host Varun, and in this video, I'll be showing you how you can use Trailhead or Salesforce Trailhead to learn the topics that we need to learn for Salesforce. So, as in our previous video, we have seen how you can get started with Salesforce, and we have seen how you can sign up for the Salesforce Trailhead account. So, in this video, we will be seeing like how you can on modules and on batches on Trailhead. So first of all, what you need to do is simply head over to trailhead.salesforce.com and sign into your account that you have created as we have seen in our previous videos. If you are facing any issues in signing up for this Trailhead, do let me in the comment section below, and what is the challenge that you are facing. I will try to solve that. So yeah, once you're here, we can see that I'm logged in my profile. So first of all, we'll see what is a module exactly. So a module is nothing but it's like a learning source, or I would say a unit that is prepared for a particular topic. So let's say we want to learn what are objects in Salesforce. So Trailhead has created a module on objects in Salesforce. So that will guide you what is exactly Salesforce object and what all things you need to learn, like how to create a Salesforce object, how to use it, and how to get records on that object. So likewise, if we go to learn, we can see that there are modules, there are trails and trail mixes. Let me cover each and everything, or what exactly they are. So for modules, I've already told you, like they will cover a specific topic. Then comes the trails. Trail is nothing but a combination of multiple modules under a specific topic, I would say. A trail mix is a combination of modules plus trails. So a trail mix might be something like, let's say I'm a Salesforce developer and I want to prepare for a certification. So let's say I wanted to prepare for PD1, and for that there are certain things that I need to cover. Let's say I need to learn about Apex, I need to learn about Lightning components and these things. So that will be categorized into the trail mix. That trail mix will be created for that particular purpose. So yeah, so before diving into how to you can use these modules, let me head over to the certifications first. So Trailhead also offers certification that you can earn. So as we have already talked about in our previous video, that they will help you on landing job opportunities in various organizations. So you can see for different roles, and you can see that Salesforce admin, developer, consultant, and you can see that there's all the recommended certification that we have. So if I talk about Salesforce developer, if I click on this here, you can see what all certification as a developer I need to hold. So it depends on your particular skill sets and whatever cloud you are working. So like platform app builder, PD2, PD1, these are the certificates that you can earn. If I talk about, let's say, JavaScript developer 1, I can click on this and it will show me out the exam that I need to go through, what all things I need to prepare, what are the prerequisites for this exam. As you can see that we have this trail mix that will help us in the study for our certification JavaScript developer 1. So yeah, that's it for the certifications part. Now coming to the modules part. So I have opened one module. So you can see that the module says get started with screen flows. So the name is screen flows, and we can see that there are various units under it. If I click on the first unit, which says get started with screen flows, you can see this there's a content here that you need to start reading. So it will guide you through how you can get started with the screen flows, like whatever necessary information is required. So you can see they have provided here. So yeah, once you go through all this content, you can see there are two types of challenges that you will see here in order to complete a module. So first thing is this quiz. So quiz is nothing but whatever you have gone through this content, whatever you have learned in this module, there will be certain questions that they will be asking you in order to pass this challenge. As you can see that these are the questions. There are only 2 questions which counts for 100 points. So yeah, if, I can simply put some options, and I will click on this check the quiz to 100 points, and if I'll see, you can see that both of these are incorrect. So yeah, so now you can see that there are 50 points now. So I can once again I can choose some options, let's say this one and this one. Okay, so you can see I can still have a chance to earn 50 points. If I again click on this, you can see this I have earned 50 points. So let's say what happens if this time also I've got some wrong answers. So again this will reduce to 25 points. So 25 points is the least point that you can get. So after that like no more points will be reduced. So you will be earning at least 25 points for a quiz challenge. And here you can go to the next unit. So in similar way, they will have a module breakdown into multiple units that will like guide you through different topics for that particular module, and you can pass the quizzes and challenges. Now there is another type of challenge that we have. It is, so the first one is the quiz. Now the second thing is challenge. So for that demo purpose, I opened this module Quick Start Apex Coding for Admins. So we have the first unit as this. We open this execute and launch block. You can see like they're telling you what all these things are covered in this. So you can see if I scroll down, they're giving us some steps. Okay, so how you can execute an anonymous block using this anonymous window on our developer console. So here they are giving you these things. Also, they are guiding you how you can create a custom objects as a admin. So these are the steps. So if I go down below, you can see this. We need to verify the steps. So what it's actually trying to say is like whatever steps that we have performed in our environment. Okay, so these things you need to do exactly the same way that it's mentioned here. And once we click on this, verify these steps. So if all these steps are correct as per they have mentioned here, you will get the 100 points. Now again, so for these things to perform, you must be having a environment, a dev environment, something. So for Trailhead, we have something called Trailhead Playground. So Trailhead Playground is nothing but a dev environment where you will be doing all the configuration, customization, where you will be checking all these challenges. So to create a new, simply click here and you will have a create playground option. So once you click on this, it will take some time to create a new playground. So let me give a test playground here. Sorry. So it will take some time. So like once this is created, you can simply click on the launch button, and it will log you to the Trailhead Playground. So for demo purpose, I have already created a playground and I've launched that playground. So you can see this is our dev environment, or I can say my Trailhead Playground. So here I can perform all these steps, whatever these are mentioned over here. So once I have performed all these steps, I can simply click here, verify to earn 100 points. So if these steps matches as they have mentioned here, we will earn 100 points. Otherwise, it will give us the error. So you can see that steps not yet completed in test playground. We can't find the candidate custom object. This is coming because we haven't created the candidate custom object. So yeah, so once done, we can simply click on this button to verify our challenge that we have created. So yeah, simply we can click on launch, and you can see that our Trailhead Playground will be launched and will be logged in. So once logged in, you can simply click on this get your login credentials. So you don't need to every time come here and launch it. You can simply have your credentials like your username and password, and you can reset the password, and you can simply log in going to the login.salesforce.com. So yeah, again, if you have your dev environment created as a developer edition sandbox, you can again connect an org here. So let's say you have multiple orgs that was not created from here as a Trailhead playground, but as a separate developer environment sandbox. So what you can do, you can connect here. You can simply click connect org, and it will ask you to log into that org. So once done, you can simply log in, and then it will start showing up here. So let me show you that one I have done. If I click here, so you can see like this one. This one is my developer edition sandbox that I have created, and I will connect this with our Trailhead playground. So now the second thing is how to create your developer edition sandbox. So what you need to do is simply go to this URL developer.salesforce.com/signup, fill in this form. So once you have filled in this form, you will get a confirmation to verify your developer edition sandbox. So as an example, you can see that the mail will come with thanks for sign up with the Salesforce. You can simply click verify account, and you can set up the password for your dev environment, and there will be a security question, and once done, you will be logged into your developer edition sandbox. So once done, simply go to login.salesforce.com, and here you can simply log in. So yeah, the similar way the Trailhead playground that you have created. So if you have your username and password, you can simply again go to login.salesforce.com, and you can log into it directly without you have to going on Trailhead and click on launch here every time. So yeah, that's it for this video, and in our next video we'll be continuing with the Sales Cloud, and like we will be covering more topics on Sales Cloud. So if you have any issues or you have any questions regarding today's videos, do let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.